Hello class, I'm Robert Toy and welcome to my innovation project. So the first innovation I'm going to be talking about is interactive holograms. Holograms in general are a photographic technique that records the light scattered from an object and then presents it in a way that appears three-dimensional. So an interactive hologram is one of these three-dimensional projections that can respond to user input. The idea of the interactive hologram comes from the video Glimpse the Store of the Future. In this video, the hologram is projected inside a glass pyramid, and the customer uses a touchpad to control features like which product they would like to see and the various sizes and colors that the product comes in. The hologram gives the customer a realistic view of the product, which can help them make their decision on whether they should buy the product or not. Interactive holograms can be useful in connecting online retail to in-store retail. When customers shop online, they only see a two-dimensional photograph of the item. That doesn't always give the most accurate portrayal of an object. With holograms, the customer can see the product in 3D and see all the features in a realistic rendering. As a result of seeing products in great detail, a customer will most likely be more attached to the product and purchase it, resulting in profits for the brand instead of giving the money back for returns because the customer didn't get what they wanted or expected. Another retail innovation I found intriguing was the React tables shown in the video Store of the Future. The store looks to connect the benefits of a brick-and-mortar location with the high-tech benefits of shopping online. The React tables featured in the Store of the Future in Chicago use a feature called Radio Frequency Identification, or RFID. When the customer places an item on the table, it is scanned using the RFID, and the product information appears next to it on the touchscreen almost instantaneously. On the screen, a customer will see information like what sizes are in stock, what colors are in stock, or even information on products you might also be interested in based on your selection. The idea of React tables can revolutionize the in-store customer experience. Customers will be able to do something they are already great at, which is navigate an online store, but they will be doing this in a physical store. These tables will also help customers get exactly what they want based on product features and will display information on products they want if they are available. One way these React tables will help companies become more profitable is through the suggestion features that pop up when an item is scanned. If these suggestions are accurate to the customer's style, the customer will most likely look into the other products. I know from personal experience these customized suggestions usually lead me to spend more money than I actually want to. By getting customers to use this feature, businesses can maybe see more profit. The third retail innovation I'm going to be speaking about are smart mirrors. This was a concept that was shown in a lot of the videos, but was really put to work in Rebecca Minkoff's store. Smart mirrors are at the heart of her store, and this is where your experience begins as soon as you enter the store. The mirrors in this store completely revolutionize the customer experience. When you begin your journey in Minkoff's store, the smart mirrors even ask if you would like something to drink. After you make the selection on your beverage of choice, you can then select items you would like to try on or are interested in learning more about. The mirror displays sizes and colors of each product. When you finish making these selections, an associate puts the items into a dressing room, where you'll find another smart mirror. This mirror recognizes the items that are in your room and displays them on the screen. If you want to try on a different size or color, you can select it on the mirror and an associate will get it for you. There is even a feature that tells you how long it will be until the associate arrives with the products. You don't even have to leave your room, the products will come straight to you. The smart mirrors in Minkoff's store have a feature to adjust the lighting to get the customer the utmost confidence in the product at all times. With this consumer confidence in the products comes purchases. When a customer gets treated the right way in a store and has the confidence in the product they try on, they will most likely purchase the product. This is what Minkoff is doing in her store, and ultimately, this will lead to profit for her. The fourth and most relevant innovation I'm going to be speaking about is augmented reality. This has been one of the innovations I think has been used the most and is most relevant in the world today since it splashed onto the scene a few years back. Augmented reality, or AR, is an enhanced version of reality where live, direct, or indirect views of physical, real-world environment are augmented with superimposed computer-generated images over a user's view of the real world, thus enhancing one's current perception of reality. In the video about Starbucks' massive new China location, we see augmented reality come into play in the retail setting. To start, users have to download the app to enjoy the AR experience in this new China store. Once they do this, they can go around the store and start scanning different parts of the store. The app will display information such as product features, visuals, and information on how the roasting process works within the store. Using augmented reality in this Starbucks, the customer experience is truly enhanced. They could even use the AR within the app to scan coffee storage containers to find out which type of roast is in them and which type of roast they would care to drink. By using the app and scanning parts of the store, customers receive interactive badges that they can share on social media. This feature can draw new customers into the store as they start using the app. As a result, the store will profit from the new influx of customers thanks to social media. By posting these badges, the company can attract customers indirectly, yet still benefit when the new customers come into the Starbucks location looking for badges of their own. One futuristic innovation that is revolutionizing retail stores is no checkout lines or cashiers within physical retail locations. We first saw this with Amazon's grocery store that opened earlier this year. There are no checkout lines and no cashiers. You just load up a bag and walk out of the store. The store uses sensors, cameras, and RFID to read the customer's phone and link it to your Amazon account when you walk in the store and charge you when you walk out of the store. The store also keeps track of what you take off the shelf and put into your bag, so all you have to do is leave the store and your Amazon account gets charged. I think this is going to be huge for customer experience since nobody likes waiting on long lines or dealing with cashiers that might not have the best attitude. This idea will completely eliminate that and make the experience much quicker and more pleasurable. With pleasurability comes profitability. Customers love when procedures are quick and seamless, and this is what this type of store offers. Amazon states that within this type of store, a customer could walk in and out of the store with a bottle of water in less than half a minute. A direct result of this quick and painless experience will be profitability for the company, because everyone is going to want to go to this store with no checkout lines rather than go to the store that has long checkout lines. So that's my innovation project. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you.